talaga yung tili at sigaw po namin sa loob ng sasakyan nung sinabi po sa amin. Sayang di natin na-record. Pero we are really excited po to work with Shopee dahil kami po mismo mga Shopee users din kami. And we feel proud because Shopee, it's loved by millions of Filipinos po. And excited na kami kasi actually nung na-shoot po namin yung TVC, sobrang fun lang. And kung paano yung Beanie, nagmamatch kasi yung vibe ng Shopee and ng Beanie. So hopefully, mas tumagal pa po ang pagsasama namin ni Shopee.
Oh my God, I totally agree with that. Actually, when I first heard na kayo maging new brand ambassador, sobrang bagay talaga ang Beanie for Shopee. So I actually want to personally welcome you to the Shopee fam. You're now officially part of the Shopee fam! Cheers naman dyan, everyone! Woo!
Well, as for me, I can't believe I'm literally standing next to
Starstruck ako, no? Pareho kami, everyone here probably is really starstruck to see Beanie right in front of us today.
But like, just like everybody else, like we're also happy to have you here. And again, welcome to the Shopee fam.
When it comes to endorsements, kahit na 8 kayo, di ba? Talaga kukunin talaga kayo ng mga brands. Who wants to go first? Maloy?
Sobrang thankful po talaga kami sa mga tao po na tumangkilik po ng song namin. Especially to our management, to our Blooms na sila yung pinakaunang tumulong kung nasaan kami ngayon. So we are really grateful sa brands. We are really grateful for Shopee for getting us, and we cannot wait to spend more years with them. Thank you.
And ito with, of course, great kasikatan comes great. Siyempre, lahat ng tao gusto kumabit sa pangalan ng Beanie. Nagbabasa ba kayo ngayon online? Nakita niyo ba meron daw religious group? Sinabi na parang, it's funny. But of course, yung salamin-salamin daw, parang witchcraft. Yung reaction nyo lang kasi larong-laro, di ba? Do you find it nakakatawa ba?
Actually, hindi na po kasi kami nakaka-open ang social media po dahil sobrang busy po. Ngayon lang po namin nalaman din po yan. Well, hindi na natin makakontrol din po kasi yung utak ng ibang tao po.
Pero pag gano'n, anong reaction nyo as a group? Teka lang, mag-usapan tayo dito.
Actually, nakita ko po yun. Yung post na yun. Pero nakakatawa po. Hindi ko po yun, meron po mas nakakatawa. Pero pwede po sabihin. Pero nakakatawa, natatawa na lang po kami na may mga gano'n na pong mabubuong kwento na theory po yung mga tao.
Ibang level.
Fake news po yun, hindi po witchcraft, salamin-salamin. Maganda lang yung song.
Maganda lang at kasayaw-sayaw lagi. Congratulations, girls. And of course, next up we have Daniel from ABS.
May intro na sa akin ng TV5 na MJ Marfari. Thank you so much. Well, first of all, congratulations to Beanie for being the new face of Shopee. Sobrang what an achievement again for your group. But just this morning, na-release din kayo ng Teen Vogue as, isa sa mga aabangan, isa sa mga aabangan na girl group this 2024. Your thoughts about that? Teen Vogue to, internet, US-based lifestyle platform. Go ahead.
Well, first of all, we would like to say thank you to Teen Vogue and of course everyone else who made Teen Vogue see that we are of potential to be in one of those international girl groups to look out for, and we're very honored, but at the same time there's a lot of pressure, but we hope to take that pressure and be able to perform well and better and always show our best and perform in more international stages outside of the Philippines.
And apart from that, sobrang dami niyo rin achievements on the musical platform. Like, iba't ibang musical platform. Like, most streamed kayo, 1 million daily listeners, 5 million monthly listeners. So, ano naman yung na-feel niyo about it? Like, how do you guys look at it now with Pantropico and also Salamin-Salamin and all your songs?
Hindi po kami makapaniwala na nakarating po kami sa ganitong point na million na po yung nakikinig po sa aming Beanie, and unti-unti na po kami nakikilala po and minamahal po ng ating sariling bayan. So, super thank you po, especially po sa Blooms na nandyan po para sa amin. And of course, yung management po na talagang sobrang love na love po kami. Thank you so much po.
Thank you for bringing Beanie with the Shopee now. Can we know the exact reason why you choose the group? And also, what can we expect with this partnership with them?
Well, thank you, Beanie, for accepting the partnership.
So I think when we always choose a group, it's something that, really vibe with, right? And I think Shopee is always about being happy, being easygoing, reassuring, and we think, a group that embodies that, and of course being very bright in the summer, always very cheery. And lastly, I think, Teen Vogue, come on. Beanie is the representation of this generation. So I think that's also why we decided to partner with them so that we can kind of bring forth, shopping to the next level, as well as connect with their fans at the same time.
And what can we expect? Are we going to see them with commercials, promotions? What else?
So basically, I think with Beanie, we will release officially our official first ever commercial with Beanie. There will be more to come in the following months, just a little teaser. And I think we also, with Beanie, they're all very fashionable, they all look great with that. We also bring in, a lot of millions of fashion deals on Shopee that they can represent as well. And of course, I think, we mentioned a bit earlier the embodiment of being ang dali-dali sa Shopee. I think that's the vibe that we get from Beanie. And with that, they are the best ambassadors to bring forth, our free and easy returns and COD unbox, return on the spot. All these new initiatives, they are the best people to kind of introduce it to the world.
Okay, with Beanie, is this your first big, endorsement, and what can you feel about it? Nag-expect pa kayo na magiging sunod-sunod yung mga deals nyo after yung Pantropiko nga na nag-boom talaga?
Yes po, Shopee po, one of our big endorsements po for this year. Nag-good po kami na dire-diretso. And kasi po meron po may mga minamanifest na mga brands, and isa po talaga yung Shopee because we are Shopee girls since day one. Yes! Thank you so much, Shopee. Talagang manifesting work. So manifest yun na yan, guys.